2 full things of propane now. I'm gonna go refill all the 1-pound containers when I get home. Oh, should last us for a week or 2. As long as the temps don't drop again. We're racing a blizzard apparently. Hey, Belly. Oh, look, we're recording each other. Oh, look, we're recording each other. Boop. Hi. Hey, doggy.
Hi, doggy.
Are you going to smother me?
Yeah.
You're going to smother me? Hi.
Smother bug.
It's me, dog face. Belly, I can't drive a car wearing you like a mustache. Hi. Hi, how are you?
Smother bug.
I got a dog mustache.
Dog stash.
Officially our last night here. A really quiet, warm night. In Minnesota anyway, it's like 36, so it's probably still cold, 36 Fahrenheit. When you just had like a 1-degree night less than a week ago, 36 feels very warm. You see Bella's over there. Being a dog. I have some chores to do. I got 2 20-pound things of propane that we're gonna fill up today. We'll put some water on board. Had a nice normal shower since we moved in. You know, we kind of take Navy showers. If you don't know what that is, I'm not gonna be the guy that explains it to you. Seeing as how we're gonna go dump tomorrow before we leave town, I think I'm gonna take this opportunity to fill the tanks up so that we can actually have a pretty nice normal shower because our tanks aren't that full. So we have some room in our waste tanks to take a nice hot shower tonight for both of us, which is gonna be nice. We were not able to find a dump station in the place where we're going that's gonna be open year round. Everything around us closes at the end of October and they don't open until May. So where we're going is gonna be indicative on how much water we can actually conserve. It's gonna be challenging. We're ready for it. Let's get these chores started. Enjoy this night. 36 degrees, so putting on water really isn't that big of a deal. I've put on water in as low as like -10, I think, before. We're lucky that the faucet that's on here, let me show you. The faucet that we get water out of has a relief valve. So that anytime that water expands in here, it's all the pressure is getting relieved from the top of this, so there's no way for water to freeze in here and crack anything. We're not gonna have that where we're going, so I want to make sure that before we go, Billy hurt her paw the other day, so she hasn't been able to play as much as she wants. She's going a little insane. I gotta get some water on board. Because I don't know when the next time we're gonna be able to water up is. And it might be a big pain in the butt to get water for the next 8 to 12 weeks. Doing some checks down here. I realized that that bulb is blown out, so I have a spare. This isn't uncomfortable at all. Oh, it's kind of a halogen bulb, so it doesn't use as much electricity as an incandescent as advertises. It only uses 72 watts and it gives you as much power as a 100-watt bulb. Oh, that one works. Now that light bulb is fixed. We're taking on water right now, so I'm filling up this tank. The water line is about right here. I want it to be about right here. I'm gonna take showers, and in the morning I'll refill it again. 44 degrees there, and 37 degrees.
I should get some fairy lights for the back. It's our big travel day, and of course we found a problem.
It is underneath the tub. So the drain to underneath the tub is disconnected. And we just took 2 extremely long showers yesterday.
Because we knew we were dumping today.
Now, you know it is really wet though?
What?
All the fucking wood under this tub.
Wood?
Uh-huh. We're gonna have to keep this basement extremely warm for the next few days. Like extremely, extremely warm for the next few days. This is like really the worst news that we could get right now. On the day when we gotta leave town. We literally are packing up right now to leave. So yeah.
On the day, we took really long showers.
We can't use it. Our water system is completely down for right now. All right, let's get us ready to go. This isn't helping anybody.
Dump this out and get it on the road. Yeah. Okay. Super. Great. And Bella's toy is missing. We need her toy before we leave. Do you see a toy? I see dog feet. Where's this toy? Why is it missing today? We just had it.
I have no idea how we're fixing that. How over. that. That's the worst news I could have hoped for on a travel day.
Hey, want to help us out? Subscribe to our channel. It's totally free and it would really bring us joy. Then click the bell notification so you know when we have a new video up. Thanks.
I'm not a plumber. I've never done any actual plumbing ever. But now I'm gonna have to become a plumber because we need to use the water on board.
Oh, you just filled it.
You just wash dishes.
I just washed dishes. Well, and wasn't like very conserving of that water while doing it because we knew we were gonna go dump, just like right now.
Anyway, we're all ready to go.
Except Bella's lost her toy.
Except Bella can't find
You had it right this morning, right? Just a little while ago. You're playing with her with it?
No, she was playing with the red ball.
Oh, okay.
We had it last night.
We are gonna go dump. And then we get on the road. I assume I'm following. Yes, I am. Here I go. At least it's not terribly freezing. It's 30-something degrees. It is above freezing. All I hope is that all my little jewelry bits and pieces don't go flying everywhere I try to secure them. It's only going to be an hour-and-a-half drive. Well, about that, actually we're going south. It's probably going to be like 2 hours with traffic, and we are about half hour north of where my hour-and-a-half drive was calculated from, so I don't know. We made it to Holiday for propane and to dump tanks. Poor Bella is feeling all the tension right now. She definitely feels everyone else's stress. We are stressed. We have a big leak in the basement. It's pretty bad. Not sure how long it's been there, but if we don't, I don't know, bleach it out, dry it out, figure out something, if black mold grows, that is the worst case scenario. What are we gonna do? I don't know, but I also have to fill up my gas tank in my car, and of course it's 10 cents more here than everywhere else at the moment, so that is not ideal. We won't get to where we're going until it's definitely fully dark.
We're waiting on the car wash.
Yeah, of course, because people want to wash their cars right now because it's above freezing. Anything you want to say?
This isn't the day that I planned.
No.
All day since I got up today has just been a very trying day. And I thought we could relax and take our time, but now we're like...
Yeah, so we get for trying to be relaxed about our day. Stephen is teaching the attendant how to fill propane on an RV. Guy came out to help but had never done an RV before. So Stephen is teacher today. Yep.
That's okay. I'm starting to feel a little better because that was like the last thing that I was waiting on anybody for today. So I don't feel like I'm waiting on anybody, so I can at least chill out there. I still have a huge problem to deal with in the basement tomorrow and really, really crappy weather. I have an idea how I'm going to fix at least the leak part, but there's got to be water damage down there. Yeah.
Yes.
Like it is emptied, so at least all of our tanks are empty. I can't drain any water, so any water that comes out of the faucet has to go into a bowl and thrown
Yeah,
outside.
we'll keep a bowl in the bathroom and then put the wash tub in the kitchen sink. Let's get on with this day. It's getting late. I'm gonna put my shoes on and
Yeah, let's get this moved over. Never done propane before.
I know I was telling them that that you were teaching him how to do it.
I honestly, knowing that it was unlocked, I could have just gone on there. It only took 3 gallons.
Yeah, I knew it was just the top off or whatever.
Top off. I mean, we're barely gonna have anything to dump here, but especially because
we're leaking everything apparently.
Because none of it's
Yay.
actually getting into the waste tank.
That's fucking fantastic. Yeah, we were like casual. Let's just take our time today because as long as we get there before tomorrow, which when the blizzard starts, we're fine. No big deal. But of course, Artemis likes to throw us all the problems. Okay, it's very snowy over here.
This is is it, for better or worse. It's been 13 years that I've lived here. Ironically enough, I moved to this city 13 years ago next week. So it's been like almost 13 full years that I've been here. We're coming back in the summertime. This is still kind of our home, but like, we don't live here full time anymore. There's the air pump, so we're officially ready to go now. The air suspension's all popped up.
Stop. Yeah, well, we have my car.
Yeah.
We'll be back. Okay. We still have
office space here. We
I still have my office. We still have a P.O. box that I'm going to end up having to pay for at this point because we haven't turned in our keys. So
I'm about to sit in this seat right now, and then we're no longer living in the Twin Cities for a while.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's a little weird. Here we go.
Here we go.
Lane to keep left.
I wanted to get video of this. It's very dangerous. Don't try this at home.
Continue on US 52 for 67 miles.
Yes, 67 miles. Thank you. I've been interrupting me, bitch. We are almost at our destination. It is nice and dark out here. The stars look great down here. We will catch up with you once we get parked.
7:30 at night. We're finally here. Always walking around. So watch her really closely because cars on this street. This is what I was talking about in previous videos. Let me show you. There's an old church building from the late 1800s over there. So that's a blind corner right there. That's the frontage road from the highway. So cars come flying around here doing about 50 miles an hour all day, every day. And when I pull this thing out of here, I'm gonna have to back out onto that road. We're all plugged in. I think Audrey's pretty much done setting up stuff inside of there. So this is gonna be our new home for probably at least the next month, I'm thinking. We'll see. Play it by ear. I got some work to do right away here. It's supposed to start snowing, blizzarding, matter of fact, right away in the morning for like 3 or 4 days. So we're about to get some pretty intense weather here. And I don't know that we're gonna be able to get on that water right away. So we're gonna have to be extremely conserving and really kind of figure out what we're doing here. So, but we're here. Bella seems to like it, right, Belly? You like it? What do you think? We'll call it home. Okay, let's go get Mom.